Hi there! Today we're going to be talking about how to get rid of prying eyes. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and if you've ever had a bad breakup or separation, you may have had someone who has compromised your security and started stalking your every single message, all your social media accounts, and everything else connected to that. You may want to be remedying that situation right now, which is why you're listening to my video. Now, since all social media networks and devices are different, I'm just going to give you the rundown of everything that you need to take care of, starting with your phone. You need to take care of your phone immediately. It is possible to sync messages to several devices. So whatever Apple or Google device that you have, you need to secure immediately. That means going to your Apple or Google accounts, changing your passwords, disconnecting all devices you are not in control of, as well as enabling two-factor authentication, changing all secret questions and answers so that you cannot be hacked. And that is just the start. Because the next thing you need to take care of are email accounts. If anybody has access to those, anyone can change your passwords and bypass two-factor authentication. So you need to take care of your phone and your emails, because these are the two primary vectors that people can use to intercept and control your life. The third thing you need to secure is social media. Go to every single one of your social media accounts online and disconnect any devices you don't recognize, change those passwords, enable two-factor authentication whenever available. Why am I asking you to turn on two-factor authentication? Because in many cases, that will serve as an indication that somebody is still trying to hack you. And you can use that evidence to make sure that you can have legal assistance if you are being stalked. So having this information come in is great, as well as allowing you a layer of security. So you definitely want to make sure that they don't have access to your phones or anything, because you don't want them to be able to delete any of those messages. Like I said, all those messages become synced, which is a problem. Once you have locked down your phones, your email, your social media, here are all the other things you need to be worrying about. Websites that you like visiting, bank accounts, anything billing related, and make sure that all other devices are in your control. Anything that is not in control needs to be disconnected immediately, which means whenever possible, log out of everything and disconnect every device, because devices that are disconnected will require the password be entered again and two-factor authentication, which you should have actually enabled by now. And this will help secure your life online. An extra step is to go out of your way and block them from accessing everything by specifically blocking them on all platforms. Some platforms like Instagram allow you to block accounts and any account related to them, as well as all future accounts. So when you have those options available to you, do that. That way you'll have a much more safe environment to thrive on online. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways to subscribing, and use the contact form, email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.